Hello everyone. In my previous video I showed you how to save an unfinished project in iMovie. Link is in the description. In this video I am going to show you how to move a iMovie project from one Mac to another Mac. There are multiple ways to do this, but I am using the simplest way. So this is the iMovie application. Let's create a project here so that we can move that project to another Mac. Add some videos and photos in this project. So we added some videos and photo here. Let's add it to timeline. So you can see here, first this is video, second is this one, and third one is this one. So we will move this iMovie project to another Mac. Click on this project button, then give this project a name. Now you can see here this project is in the project list. Now close this iMovie. Then click on this Finder and then click on Go, then click on Home. So in this Home folder you will find this folder Movies. Click on this and inside this you will find this iMovie library. If you will double click on it, then it will open iMovie library. So don't double click here. Right click and then click on Show Package Content. So it will open the iMovie library project folder, and here you will see all the projects that you have created in the iMovie. So this is the project that we want to move it to another Mac. If you will click on this arrow button, then you will find here there are multiple subfolders inside this project, and you can see here original media, render files, something, and these are all the settings that iMovie store. Copy this project and then paste this project to your removable disk, any pen drive, memory card. So this is my removable disk and I will paste it here. This much only thing we have to do in the source Mac. Now let's go to the another Mac. Now I am on another Mac, and here also you will have to do almost the same thing. Click on Finder, then click on Go, and then click on Home. In this Home, click on this iMovie, and this you will have to open. Don't double click here, right click and then click on Show Package Content. Here you will have to paste the folder that you copied from other Mac. So that folder is present in this removable disk. Click on this, copy this. You can even use Command plus C, and then again click on Go, Home, Movies, right click, Show Package Content, and paste it here. Now this project is pasted to this iMovie library. Open iMovie now. Click on this project, but you can see here the project is not showing here. The reason is this: the iMovie does not know about the project that you copied directly in that folder. To get that project show here, let's do a trick. Create a new temporary project. Click on this project, give this project a name. Now you can see here a new project is created here. So go to that folder, iMovie folder. You can see here the project is showing. This is a project that we created temporarily. Just delete it. Click on this. Move to bin. Now close iMovie and then open iMovie again. Now once iMovie is opened, it will search for this project temp delete project, but we deleted this project from the folder. So iMovie will think that the project library is damaged, and it will give you an option to repair. So once we click on this repair, what it will do is it will re-scan that folder and it will find that that project is deleted, so it will remove from the list, and it will also find there is a new project that is added, so it will add this to the list. Now you can see here this is our move project that we copied from another Mac, and it is showing here. Now if I will click on this project, now we can see here the project on the other Mac is available here. You can see whatever the work that you have done in that Mac, everything will show here. One thing you will notice here is the project is here, but the media is not showing here. So what you will have to do is right click here, then click on Reveal in Project Media. So you can see here this started showing here. So here we successfully moved iMovie project from one Mac to another Mac. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. If you do not like, then please comment so that we can improve. Thank you for watching this video.